We have a MacTurn 550W CNC dual spindle lathe with an OSP 200L control, chip conveyor, coolant system, automatic tool changer.
That is 450.
Okay.
600.
Okay.
Stopping at 650.
Bring it back down. Bring it back down to 0. There you go. What's it at now?
800,
800,
1,000,
1,000,
1,200,
1,200,
14,
1,400,
16,
1,600,
18,
1,800,
2,000.
2,000. Okay, bring her back down. Okay, shut her down.
That's
What do you got?
600.
600?
Yeah.
You got that order?
That's 800.
1,000, 1,200, 1,400, 1,600, 1,800, 2,000, 2,200, 2,400, 2,600.
Yep.
And then back down.
Or I was running a long time.
Okay. Okay. Want to try up and down? You got it. That's good.
Maybe I was just learning.
Okay. Want to do a tool change? I got each light off. You can turn the light off. You can turn the light. There you go.